How to replace self-criticism with self-understanding. That harsh voice in your head can feel relentless, the one that points out every mistake, every shortcoming, and never seems satisfied. Self-criticism may feel motivating, but over time, it erodes confidence and mental health. Let's talk about how to replace self-criticism with self-understanding and why that shift is so powerful. Number 1. Self-criticism is often a survival strategy. For many people, self-criticism developed as a way to stay safe, avoid mistakes, or earn approval. It's not proof that you're broken, it's proof that you adapted. Understanding this softens the urge to attack yourself. Number 2. Notice the tone of your inner voice. Pay attention to how you talk to yourself when things go wrong. Would you speak that way to someone you care about? Replacing criticism starts with awareness, not immediate positivity. Number 3. Ask what's underneath the criticism. Self-criticism often masks fear, disappointment, or unmet needs. Instead of asking, "What's wrong with me?" try, "What was I hoping for?" or "What made this feel so hard?" Understanding creates clarity where shame once lived. Number 4. Respond with compassion, not correction. Compassion doesn't mean excusing behavior. It means responding with care instead of punishment. Research shows that self-compassion supports motivation, resilience, and emotional regulation far more effectively than harsh self-judgment. Number 5. Growth comes from understanding, not shame. When you understand why something happened, you can choose a different response next time. Shame shuts learning down. Understanding keeps it open. Replacing self-criticism is a practice, not a personality change. Each moment of understanding weakens the old habit and builds a healthier inner relationship. At SDKare, our licensed providers help individuals work through self-criticism, perfectionism, and shame. Through therapy and supportive care, we help you build self-understanding and emotional resilience, all through telehealth. You don't grow by tearing yourself down. You grow by understanding yourself better. Visit SDKare.com to book your appointment. SDKare. Simple, dedicated, care for your mind, body, and inner balance.